ang panel. Ito na yung panel mo, bossing Casmer Borbolon from Surigao City. Pinadala ni bossing yung panel niya. Nabahato pala, nabahatong panel ni bossing. Pinadala sa atin para magawa natin. 16k mileage boss, all working. Okay, natin 6 gear. Ayan. All working na boss. Salamat sa tiwala, bossing Casmer Borbolon from Surigao City. Ready to ship na to boss.